Hello, let's do morning skincare routine using only Korean skincare product. First product is from Lanyard. It's their cream mist. It's hydrating and nourishing, leaves your skin with that supple glow. Second product is vitamin C from Skin and Lab. It's such a beautiful vitamin C. It absorbs into your skin so quickly. It's non-irritating and it's really hydrating. I really like this vitamin C. Third product is a moisturizer from one of my favorite brand is in Tree. The moisturizer is gel hyaluronic acid moisturizer. It's hydrating and I like the way it feels on my skin. It's so lightweight. It's so good for layering multiple products and it's good for acne skin. I really like this moisturizer and sunscreen from a same brand. Oh my god, this sunscreen, it was viral and definitely worth the hype. It's hydrating, feels more like a moisturizer than sunscreen. It blends into your skin so quickly and get absorbed. I like this sunscreen. Last product is a lip balm and definitely it has SPF. So this is from Dot and Key. It has SPF 30 and little bit tint. So all the products are acne skin